Hey, what's up everybody, this is Nasim from nasimreza.com and you are welcome to this brand new video. In this video, you are going to learn how you can get client from offline marketplace. So that's mean if you are a freelancer and if you want to sell your service, then you need a client. Freelance marketplace is the best way to get client, but right now this marketplace is very saturated. So that's why you need to reach the client out of the marketplace. So today I'm going to show you one way how you can reach the client. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the computer screen where I will give this website link on this video description. So you don't need to worry about that. Just go to the video description and check the website where, so that's mean if your service is related to Shopify or WooCommerce, so that's mean you I think you want to sell your digital marketing service for e-commerce. So here you can see this is the website list of Shopify user. So if you already know about Shopify, and if not, that's no problem. Shopify is the best way to promote the e-commerce product. So like Shopify is related for it's built for e-commerce business owners. Okay, so here you can see Shopify a lot of list here. Okay, just what you need to do for this kind of, for example, I am a digital marketer and I want to offer my service to my client and who has a Shopify YouTube channel, Shopify website. So here you can see this is the Shopify store list. Of course, I will give this store link, this website link on this video description. And what I will do. So actually I will go their website and I will check their Facebook page as well. And then I will collect the URL of their email. So I will collect their email from their Facebook page or website, whatever you prefer. Like first of all, I will check their website, but if not, I will get then I will visit their Facebook page, and definitely here I can see the Facebook page. And what I do now, just I will pick that and I will use one tools which is Rion. It's a Facebook, actually email verification tools. So for example, if I copy this email, probably it can be like active mail or it can be dead mail. So just check it. And of course I will give this tools description on this video description. I will keep this look. So this is the great tools actually you can use to verify your email. You can actually like you can make a lot of bulk email list and you can verify your list with these tools, which is pretty good. And then you can find how many you can get your active mail from the tools, and just makes sense, your all the email won't be active, right? So we need the active mail because of we are going to send the email from the premium tools, and actually we are going to send, so you can use these tools for sending email. So you can collect their phone number. So some store can own, like you can't get their email address, probably you can get their phone number. So these tools actually I recommend you to, because of with these tools you can send your SMS camping as well. So voice is pretty cool. So of course this all tools link I will give on this video description, so don't forget to check it out. And of course these tools are not free, they actually charge you monthly basis, but don't worry, in this video description I will give how you can purchase these tools with one-time fees. So that's mean one-time deal for lifetime. So you can purchase it with very small amount and you can use it for lifetime. So don't forget which is pretty cool. So don't worry, just check it out. Okay, so you can make your email by using ChatGPT. Of course, ChatGPT, like you can make your email, like you can guide to ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, I am a digital marketer and I want to sell my service to my Shopify store owners, so just give me a email. Okay, then ChatGPT will write a email for you, and of course you need to check the email, and you can like add or remove something from their email and make them professionalist, and then you can send them to offer. And if you send regularly, and then you will get the response from your client, and definitely you will get the client from out of marketplace. So that's actually that's all for today. I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.